Hello everyone. In our IICS tutorial series, last class we saw that different type of the transformations in IICS. Today we are going to see that source qualifier transformations. When we see the source qualifier transformation, it is active and connected one. And in source qualifier, we can handle that relational data or the flat files we can handle in the mapping. And also when we see this source qualifier, the main work of the source qualifier it converts the source data type into Informatica native data types. That is, whenever we are working in the project, so we are dealing with the different kind of the sources. It may be the databases or it may be the files. Databases, when we see that we have the example Oracle SQL Server DB2 Teradata like that, and it convert the source data types into Informatica native data types. It will convert it. Okay, so whatever we are getting the sources, okay, that data types and all, it will convert that own. It is having that Informatica, it's having that own data type it is there. Based on that, it will convert. Okay. Now we have some certain properties available in the source qualifiers. We will see that each of the properties one by one while doing that practical sessions. Now, before going to discuss on the source qualifier transformation, first we should know that how we can work on the IICS tool. Whenever we are doing that mapping in the IICS in data integrations, first we should check on that runtime environment. We have two runtime environment. We already saw that. That is a cloud hosted agent and another one is secure agent. These runtime environment both should be the status. It will be always that up and running. Then only we can do that mapping task or task flow in IICS. Okay. Now we'll start how we can do that mapping. Now see here, in the left side corner you are seeing that new option. Go to the new. Here some assets is there, that is task, mapping, maplet, task flow and component. Today now we are creating the mapping, so just create the mapping here. Click on the mapping and create your mapping. Create it. Once we are creating the mappings, default it will show that two objects, that is source and target object it is showing. Okay, now I want to load the data into my source. Okay, so just click on the source. Once you are clicking on means in the outline it will be show that in the blue colors. The outline, the mark it is showing that blue colors. So now you can know that it is we are want to work on the source. Okay. If you click on the target, it will be changed into the target outline. Okay, so based on that you are know that which one you are working on, that is whether it is a source or otherwise it is a target. If you are clicking in that in the pages, in the white page, if you are clicking means, so now you are not working on the source and target. Here we can able to change our mapping name here. Okay, so this way it is working on. Now we will load the data into the source. Click on your source and maximize this windows and go to your source and give the connections. I already created the connection. I am taking my database Oracle source, I am taking here. Okay, and select your objects. Here I am selecting that object, it is employees. Take that particular object and click on OK. So we have that option, it is there in IICS, that is preview the data. With the help of the preview data, we can able to find out what are the data is available in that particular taking that objects. Click on the done. Now in that second, that is in the second option, we have that query option, it is there. In the first mapping we will see that filter and sorter. Okay, here we are giving that filter conditions. Okay, here one plus icon it is there. With the help of that we can apply the filter conditions. Here select the object. Here I am taking that only one object, I am taking single object, that employee is. Now field you take. So I want to take that my salary column here. Okay, now I am taking my salary columns. The condition I am giving that less than or equal to, and the value it is 10,000. So I am telling that I want to get that employees who are getting that less than 10,000, less than or equal to 10,000. That values only go and fetch it. So this is my scenario now. Click on OK. Now sort your data. Same the plus icon. Now take your objects and field. So I am taking my field, it is in the salary ascending order I am taking. Click on OK. Now I am giving that two option, it is properties I am giving, that is filter and sort. Okay, now we will move to the target and we will do that mapping. Go to your target here, maximize this window and take your target connection, everything. View your target connections. Here my target connection is database, Oracle database. Select your object. Then here I am taking my object, it is called T underscore employees. Take that one. Preview your data. Okay, so when you are previewing the data, if it is already data is presented means just you take the truncate target table and load it. But real time you won't do like that and all. For our understanding purpose, just make the truncate and load the data. Now move to that field mappings. Okay, in that field mappings, source data as well as in the target data both are same only. So I am using that my smart map here. So with the help of the smart map, it automatically mapped to that all the records. Okay, in the source and target. Now save your mapping. Once you are saving the mapping means that it will be showed in that valid. Okay, if no error it is presented means it will be go to that valid state. Now it is valid. Now we move on to run. So in the run we have the two runtime environment, it is there, that is cloud hosted agent, another one is secure agent. Checking and I am listing that all the component in that secure agent only. That is we are giving that connection as well as we are giving object everything in the secure agent only. That's the reason we should select the secure agent part. Click on run now. Okay, so once you are running means it automatically go to the monitor. We can see this one with help of the my job. Okay, so see here the state it is first it is in the form of queue, then it will be moved to that running. Okay, then it will be succeed. Here we have that as of now only one mapping it is there. That's the reason it is processed very short durations. We can get this success status very within that fraction of second we can get it. Now go to here instance name mapping 9, you just press it. We are applied 52 rows and it is loaded the 52 rows in the target. Okay, this way we can able to do that filter and sorter in a source qualifier transformation itself. Also we can do that cross verifications with help of that SQL developers. Okay, so in our SQL developer, when we see, we taken here two schemas, that is one schema for that source HR schema and core schema, it is my target. Okay, so in that HR schema I took that employees tables only. I took. Just select the statement and run it. When we are running means here the total number of the rows in HR schema, it is 105 row we got it. See that end. Okay, 105 rows we got. Okay, and also we apply the filter conditions in our source qualifier transformations. Okay, that filter condition it is I need to get the employees salary less than or equal to 10,000. Okay, when we are executing this statement, we got the result, it is that is our total number of the record, it is 52 rows, that is 52 record we got it. When we done that our mapping, the same record only it is populated there also. So this way we can able to do the cross verification, and also we can check our target. So my target, it is my core. Here also we can do the cross verification. Select a star from my target table, it is T underscore employees. Okay, select the statement and run it. Once we are running, means see here also we got 52 rows, it is populated. See here 52 rows, in down you see here 52 rows is populated. So this way we can able to cross verified after done the mapping in Oracle SQL Developer. Okay. Today we see that source qualified transformations and applying the filter conditions and sort. In upcoming sessions, we will see that some other properties of the source qualified transformations, that is pre-SQL, post-SQL and SQL override, everything we will see that. Okay, thanks for watching, and do the subscribe for more videos on IICS tutorial as well as SQL. Thank you so much.